Everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video we are talking about a free coin. What is the current price of free coin and what is the projection of free coin in the new month? As you know, today is the first day of new month, friends. So what is the projection of free coin and the May, friends? Now if we talk about the currently price of the free coin, so the currently price is about 0.0001 USD dollar, friends. So what is the price of free coin in the last of May, last of this month, friends? Before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so kindly click the subscribe button right now and like this video. Thank you so much for subscribing my channel, friends. If you look, the price change occur in the free coin, so the whole change occur in the free coin, the last 1 day, last 1 hour, last 1 week change as negative, friends. That's mean that all over and over falls occur in the free coin, friends. As you can see here on the screen, that is the last 1 day price prediction. If we look, the entry of the free coin into a new month is the falling. As you can see here, falls down, falls down, falls down, and now they are in the falling mode, friends. So free coin falls down from the previous last one week. Over and over fall occur in the free coin. So what should we do at this time? If you are a holder, so I think it's a hold time. As you can see here, the price of free coin at this time is very low, but soon the price become high, and I hope they will give you good amount of profit in the future if you hold your coin with the last half of this month, friends. And if you look, the price change occur in the free coin negative 4.6% change occur in the free coin in the last 1 day, and the highest price is about 0.000011. As you can see here, at this point they hit the 11 USD dollar, and here the price change is about 1, friends. So what's your opinion about free coin? Please share in the comment box, and kindly friends, don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates.